Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're gonna do a Dino Roar. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a WizKids exclusive figure. And you can see here the image of the figure, a dinosaur hatching from its egg. Okay, so this is actually the Dinosaur Hatchling. Okay, so very suggestive name. Okay, this particular box contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure. I think the promo was if you buy $50 from WizKids store online, then you get one free Dinosaur Hatchling. Okay, so I just received mine because I bought a bunch of Iconics figures. I think I bought Kong, and I bought also Project Butterfly. Okay, so we have here the promo figure. Okay, this is the talk of town because it's a really good piece. Okay, so actually this one is already reserved by somebody, Sir Gojira of Cebu. Thank you. So for allowing me to still look at the figure, but this is going to be shipped to him as soon as possible after this unboxing. Okay, so that he can enjoy the goodness of the Dinosaur Hatchling. Okay, so let's take a look. Pretty straightforward. We have here the card. Okay, we'll take a look at that in a while. And we have the teeny beeny cute sculpt of Dinosaur Hatchling. So it's really small. He is tiny. Okay, so you can see here the dial is intact. Let's see. Let me take it out if I can. If I cannot, then that's fine. Okay, you just have to confirm that the dial is correct. There you go. So sometimes it's really hard to get these pieces out. Okay. Okay, I really like WizKids doing this kind of stuff, meaning incentivizing those who buy online. Okay, especially for us in the Philippines, shipping can be a bit costly because we ship it from WizKids store to a digital warehouse in the US, and then from that digital warehouse to Hong Kong, and then to the Philippines. So the shipping costs can add up. So having a promo figure with a certain amount of purchase, okay, makes it a bit more worthwhile. Okay, so the dial is correct. Okay, so up until click number 6. Let's check it out. There you go. So 5 clicks of life for this particular Dinosaur Hatchling. Okay, so let's take a look at what the Hatchling does. Put him back if I can. There you go. Okay, so let's take a look at the card. So Dinosaur Hatchling is WizKids, what's E? Exclusive. Okay, WizKids exclusive 24-002, and has the keywords animal, brute, and past. Okay, very good keywords, especially animal and brute, because you can do some things with the Dark Phoenix, Masters of Evil. Okay, past is also a good generic keyword. Okay, so he has one trait. They grow up so fast at the beginning of your turn, and whenever Dinosaur Hatchling KOs an opposing character, give them a growth token. Okay, when Dinosaur Hatchling would be KO'd, you may instead replace them with a character with the animal keyword and turn that character to their first KO click, then heal them 1 click for each growth token on Dinosaur Hatchling. So this is a very powerful, and I would say a meta trait. Okay, because you can just camp in your base. Okay, so pass your first turn, and then you have immunity, and then your second turn, then you would have at least 2 dinosaur growth token. Okay, so that means if this gets KO'd, then you can bring in any character with the animal keyword. Doesn't matter if it's standard, doesn't matter if it's Kong, doesn't matter if it's a Twinkie base or whatnot, okay? But bring in Kong, of course. Kong is the right answer to the question. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that means even if he is 5 clicks long, you have to KO Kong, okay, or some other strong animal in the future. Okay, perhaps the dinosaurs of Masters of Time will have animal keywords, right? Okay, so and he has another special damage power, too cute, shape change, but succeeds on a 4 to 6. When Dinosaur Hatchling uses it and succeeds, this turn it can't be targeted by opposing characters. Also powerful, very similar to Mr. Sinister's shape change, special shape change. Okay, and this is only 45 points. Okay, so real name is unknown. Okay, appearance is Mesozoic era, 66 to 252 million years ago. So he is ancient. Okay, and he is also not unique. So you can play multiple dinosaur hatchlings. That way, you get more chances of bringing in more animal after they are KO'd. Okay, and you can see here they have sidestep for mobility, blades claws fang, although the attack is 10, but you might be able to hit if you're all good. This is combat reflexes, so defensive, and of course that special shape change. So overall, worth it for 45 points. I would imagine building a team like 4 of these, perhaps 4 or 5, and then the rest would be 5 of this, and then 1 Scott Porter white and 1 Scott Porter black shirt, and that's it. That's your team. Okay. So what do you guys think of this cute but terrible dinosaur? Okay, don't let it grow on you, because if it grows, it roars. Bye bye.